Have you broken your pump foot and you need a replacement? Or maybe you just want to have a backup pump foot just in case you have an accident. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a new product I think you're going to be interested in. Hey guys, so if you're running a jet pump on a river, there's a good chance at some point you're going to hit something. You're going to hit a rock, a stump, whatever. Those pump foots on your jet sled, they're made from like a cast aluminum. They're designed to break. Okay, that's the weak point in your pump foot. So if you hit something hard, rather than damage your engine somehow on the motor mounts to the boat, that pump foot is designed to give way. Well, there's a new product out, and I've got it right here. This is a pump foot designed by Wooldridge Boats. And what we're looking at here is a very special polyurethane mixture that they have designed these pump foots to replace those cast aluminum pump foots. They didn't just come up with this overnight. They've been working on this for 5 years. And if you know the Wooldridge Boat Company, they're going to be thorough in everything they do. They've spent a lot of time in testing, redesigning, before they came out with a pump foot that they think is going to work just right and be consistent. Well, I pulled the trigger and I bought one. I like having a backup pump foot in my toolbox on my truck in case I have a problem. So what I plan on doing is I'm going to put the new pump foot on the boat. I'll take the backup pump foot, put it in the truck, so I always have a pump foot. You know, look, nothing is designed to be completely indestructible. That said, this pump foot is designed so it has some flex to it if you do strike something. Okay, so there is some give on this pump foot, but is it completely indestructible? The answer is going to be no. If it can be torn up, I'm certain one of you guys out there can find a way to tear it up. But I do think this is going to be a great option for being on the skinny water and having that oops. So a couple things I do like about the pump foot. I do want to point out the pins right here for the bottom grates. I really like that these have nylock nuts on them, so they're not going to back out. I've had a pump foot on a previous boat, and those pins started backing out, and one of my grates fell away. So you know, you have to constantly watch that kind of stuff. But these are screwed in; they're not going anywhere. The grates is also a new design. This is steel. Is called Hardox steel, and it's a much harder steel than what we typically find on our pump foots. And the idea behind that is to have less chance that you're actually going to have rocks get jammed up, go through the impeller, and get stuck at the exhaust. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that works, because as you saw in my last video, I did have rocks up in the grate and out at my exhaust port. So we're going to get this installed. It comes with the locking ring. It's a 2-piece locking ring, and it also comes with nylock nuts that we're going to replace the nuts that are currently on the pump foot. So let's do an installation, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's installed. is installation's pretty simple. That bad boy is on there. Looks like it's gonna push that water up in there very well. You notice the difference. This is more flat, and on the new pump foot, it's got a cup, so I think it's gonna push that water up into that lower unit a lot more efficiently. So you can see how the front of the pump foot is perfectly in line with the bottom of my hull. That's great. I can't wait to get this on the water. So there you have it, guys. Installation was simple. I can't wait to get the boat on the water and see how it handles. I've heard from some other guys that the handling's better, they're getting a little more speed, so I can't wait to get it on the river and give it a try. Wooldridge Boats has been around for over 100 years, since 1915. And they don't just settle for something that is just going to work. They're constantly trying to improve things. And I think this pump foot is definitely going to be an improvement. If you're interested in getting your own polyester resin pump foot for your jet boat, visit wooldridgeboats.com. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when we have new videos coming out. Until next time, thanks for watching.